Kaya kong sumayaw. I can dance. Pwede kang sumama. You can come. Hindi ko masabi. I can't tell. Makararating ka ba? Can you come? Marunong ka bang sumayaw? Can you dance? Pwede kong kainin ito. Can I eat this? Mahanap mo kaya? Can you find it? Walang nakapagsasabi. No one can tell. Hindi ko marinig. I can't hear it. Hindi kita marinig. I can't hear you. Hindi ko makita ng malinaw. I can't see it clearly. Kaya mo ba? Can you do it? Marunong akong mag-chess. I can play chess. Pwede ko bang tingnan? Can I see? Kaya niyang tumalon ng mataas. She can jump high. Walang makapipigil sa akin. Nobody can stop me. Maaasahan naman siya. He can be relied on. Kaya niyang magmaneho. He can drive. Makauuwi ka na. He can now go home. Marunong ba siyang mag-Ingles? Can he speak English? Pwede ko ba tong hiramin? Can I borrow this? Maaasahan mo ako. You can count on me. Kaya kong bilhin yan. I can buy that one. Kaya mo bang magmaneho? Can you drive? Kaya mo bang gawin yan? Can you do that? Wala akong makita kahit ano. I can't see anything. Hindi ako makararating. I can't come. Pwede bang mag-iwan ng mensahe? Can I leave a message? Kaya mo bang magtago ng lihim? Can you keep a secret? Mapagkakatiwalaan mo ako. You can trust me. Alam kong makakaya mo yan. I know you can make it. Naririnig mo ba ang ingay na iyon? Can you hear that noise? Pwede mo naman iyan ilagay kahit saan. You can put that anywhere. Pwede ko ba itong isukat? Can I try this on? Hindi ko kayang bilhin yan. I can't afford it. Hindi ko kayang mabuhay nang wala ka. I can't live without you. Gagawin ko ang lahat ng makakaya ko. I will do everything I can. Kaya mo bang abutin ang kisame? Can you reach the ceiling? Hindi ko kayang mapag-isa. I can't be alone. Hindi ko nga rin maipaliwanag. I can't explain it either. Hindi maitatanggi ang katotohanan iyon. That truth can't be denied. Pwede kang pumunta kung gusto mo. You can come if you want. Kahit sino naman pwedeng makagawa ng pagkakamali. Anybody can make mistakes. Nakababasa siya ng mabilis. He can read fast. Masasabi kong mabait siyang tao. I can tell he is a good person. Hindi ko masusolusyonan ito. I can't solve this. Pwedeng makahingi ng makakain? Can I ask something to eat? Pwede mong sabihin sa akin. You can tell me. Kaya niya itong gawin mag-isa. He can do this alone. Nakikita mo ba ang pagkakaiba? Can you see the difference? Kaya kong tukuyin kung sino ang nagsisinungaling. I can tell who is lying.